Welcome to WebStylePress. Console object provides access to the browser's debugging console. It is a property of the window object and is accessed with window.console or just console. Open developer tools, hit F12. Go to console, type console.log console. Enter. And console has got all these methods: assert, clear, context, count, reset, debug, dir, error, group, info, log, memory, profile, table, time, time end, time log, timestamp, trace, warn. Most popular method used by web developers is log, to just log some message. With the help of console methods, we can print messages, warnings, and errors. That is helpful for code debugging. Here is how you can make best use of console log in web development. Use console.log and in parentheses, type any message in quotes and hit enter, and the message will be printed. It prints a simple message. Instead of simple console log, you can use meaningful messages. For example, if you are adding two numbers like x equal sign 2, y equal sign 5, and let z equal sign x plus y. Now, instead of just console logging z, that is 7, we can console log z with extra information about z, like this string sum and then comma z. It will print sum 7. This message is more meaningful as it tells what the output is about. To clear console, use clear method, console.clear, and console will be cleared. We can also style console message, console log. Here's our message. Web style press. This is what we want to print. Comma, and here we will print our styles, just like we do in CSS. Color yellow, font weight bold, font size 24 pixels, and background black. One additional thing that we have to do is to just use %sign and C before the actual message. Enter, and as you can see, the background black, color is yellow. There's some space at the start of this text. To add the space at the end, we have to just add a space after our text. Enter, and now the spaces are equal. If you want to print a warning message, use console.warn. This is like a proper warning message with exclamation sign icon. If you want to print an error message, use console.error. And this is like a proper error message with error icon. If you want to display an object in console, use console.table. For example, we declare an object like let WSP equal sign, and this is our object. And this object has got few properties like name and type and is active. This is Boolean value, and this is string value, string value. So this is our object. If we have to console log this object, it's better to use console.table. To display this object in console, we will use console.table. Name the object, enter. And as you can see, this is a proper table that is printed. This output is more meaningful, clear, and easy to read. Console.clear. Similarly, console.time gives you information on how much time it took for a script to run. Console.time answer time. Console.log time starts, logs below. Console.time log answer time. And this is just a console log. And here is console.time end. So this is console.time answer time, console.time log answer time, and then console.time end answer time. And these are just console log messages. Time starts, logs below. This is the log when this script started. And then this is just the log message. And this is where the script stops and logs time. There are many other console methods that are worth exploring, like assert, group, count, trace. Count method logs the number of times that this call has been called. Very useful in loop to count number of iterations. Trace method outputs the stock trace. Go to MDN Web Docs to explore more console methods. There are more than 20 console methods listed there. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.